Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss more MCQ for TCEE subject. Question number 1. The main aim of the blank is to check that the machine received is in good condition and are as per our requirement. So our answer is inspection. Question number 2. Inspection is all about overall observation. Question number 3. What are included in the inspection process? So our answer is A. To check received machine as per our requirement. Question B. To check received machine is in good condition. And third one, to check received machine auxiliary parts etc. which are okay or not. So our answer is all of this. Now question number 4. After the inspections at the site, you found everything is in good condition. What are the reasons behind that? So our answer is A, B and C also. That means option number D, which is our correct answer. Now question number 5. Maximum damage to the machinery happen during transportation. Option number C. Question number 6. When inspections at the site is carried out. So our answer is after unloading. Question number 7. Which of the following must be observed during handling? So our answer is A, B and C. That means option number D, all of these. Question number 8. Which of the following are the primary objective during unpacking of machine? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C also. Question number 9. What will you do if you found a damaged machine during inspection? So our answer is option number B. Report any damage immediately to seller or a factory for the claim. Question number 10. Which of the following required during the unpacking and inspection? So our answer is A, B and C also. That means option number D, all of these. Question number 11. At which stage inspection is carried out? So answer is before and after unpacking. Option number C. Question number 12. In which of the following conditions required for the storage of electrical equipments? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C also. 13 number. Which is the right place or area to store electrical machine? So our answer is A, B and C also. Question number 14. Which of the following should be avoided during storage of electrical machine? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C also. Question number 15. Followings are the blank condition for the storage of electrical equipments if it's blank in storage area. First one, direct sunlight. Second, rainwater. Third one, gases. Fourth one, dust. And fifth one, smokes. So our answer is option number A, ideal and another and not entering. Option number A. Question number 16. We should avoid storage of electrical equipments where? Option number A, B and C. So that means our answer is all of this. Question number 17. Who should not be entered in the storage area? So our answer is unauthorized persons, cat, rat, dog, etc. That means option number C is our correct answer. Question number 18. What we need to do if the vibrations receives from the nearby surroundings? So our answer is we have to use rubber blocks. Option number A. Now 19 number. If the storage places is dump, then provide proper blank in the room. So our answer is heater. Option number B. Now 20 number. Which of the following activity justify for the good storage system? So our answer is A, B and C. That means our answer is all of these. Option number D. Question number 21. Which of the followings are basic requirements of the foundations? So our answer is option number A, B and C. That means all of these. Now question number 22. For bigger machine, Generally, supplier provides a drawing and guidelines instructions for the foundations. Option number A. Now 23 number. Foundations compromise of A, B and C. That means our answer is all of these. Option number D. Now question number 24. Which of the following information is provided in the instructions manual? So our answer is option number A, B and C. That means our answer is all of these. Now 25 number. Which of the following information is provided in the instructions manual? So our answer is protection, troubleshooting, faults and remedial measures to be taken. So our answer is all of these. Option number D. Now 26 number. Which of the following information is provided in the instructions manual? So our answer is A, B and C. That means option number D, all of these. 27 number. Shaft alignment is the process of aligning two or more shafts with each other within a tolerated margin. So our answer is option number A, shaft alignment. Now 28 number. What is the main goal of shaft alignment? So our answer is efficient transmissions of power from the motor to driven equipment. Option number B. Now 29 number. The center lines of the motor and the driven equipment shaft are not in line with each other, which is known as a incorrect alignment. We can say as a misalignment. Option number C. Now 30. Misalignment between the motor and driven equipment produces all of the above. That means A, B and C. 31 number. How many types of misalignments are there in the motor coupling? So our answer is 3 types. Now 32 number. Which type of misalignment is justified with the following statement? If the center line of the motor and the driven equipment shaft were to be extended, then they would be cross each other rather than the supervise or run along the common center line. So our answer is angular misalignment. Option number A. Now 33 number. Which type of misalignment is justified with the following statement? If the two shaft center lines are parallel but not into the same line, as shaft may be offset horizontally, vertically or both. So our answer is option number B, parallel misalignment. Now 34 number. Which type of misalignment is justified with the following statement? So if the center line of the motor and the driven equipment shaft were to be extended, they would neither cross each other nor supervise or run along a center line. So our answer is option number C. Now 35 number. What are the probable reasons for the misalignment after the alignment process successfully carried out on the newly installed machine? So our answer is A, B, C. That means all of these, which is our correct answer. Now 36 number. Rigid or a flexible coupling is the type of direct couplings. Option number A. 37 number. What are the advantages of flexible coupling over the rigid coupling? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C, which are our correct answer. 38 number. Which of the followings are alignment equipment? So our answer is option number B. 39 number. Which of the following device and tools required for loading or unloading electrical machines? So our answer is A, B, C. That means all of these, which is our correct answer. Now 40 number. The hosting machine is intended to either for option number A, B and C. Our answer is all of these. Now 41 number. Which of the following are the component of hosting equipment? So our answer is A, B and C also. That means all of these. 42. Which of the following are the units of hosting equipment? So all of this, which is our correct answer. That means A, B and C also. Now 43 number. Chain or a steel wire rope slings are made from plank with the eyes and hooks. So our answer is option number C, welded chains or wire ropes. Now 44 number. Chain or a steel wire rope slings used for suspension or with long shape grips for the object to be lifted. So our answer is option number A. Now 45 number. Pulley system is a combination of several blank pulleys. So our answer is movable and fixed pulleys. Option number A. Now 46 number. Multiple pulley system with 4 parts is used to carry out load up to the 25 tons. Option number C. 47 number. How we can increase the lifting capacity of pulley system up to the 75 tons? So my answer is increasing the parts. Option number A. 48 number. Which lifting device used to raise the equipment for small height while shifting or a temporary maintenance or a foundation work? So our answer is jack. Option number A. 49 number. Trolleys are used for material handling in the electrical maintenance shop. So our answer is option number A. Now 50. Nowadays, battery operated vehicles are used for material handling in electrical maintenance shops. So our answer is option number B. Now 51 number. Electrical machines of small and medium ratings are handled by attach the blank to the eye bolt provided on the machine. So our answer is sling rope. Option number C. Now 52 number. Power transformer are lifted, handled with the help of cranes. Option number B. 53 number. Which precautions must be taken while handling the lifting device? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C also. Now 54 number. Which precautions must be taken while handling lifting devices? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C also. Now 55 number. Which of the following tools are used for repairs and maintenance? So our answer is A, B and C. That means all of these, which is our correct answer. 56 number. Which of the following tools are used for repairs and maintenance? So our answer is all of these. That means A, B and C, which are our correct answers. Now 57 number. Which of the following tools is used to remove bearing sets from the rotating machine shaft or from blind bearing hole? So our answer is bearing puller. Option number B. Now 58 number. Which of the following tools is used to measure the clearance between the two parts? So our answer is option number A. Now 59 number. Which of the following tools is used to measure the deflections of the arm? So our answer is dial test indicator. Option number C. Now 60 number. Spirit level is a device consisting of seal gas tube partially filled with the alcohol or other liquids containing an air bubble whose positions reveals whether a surface is perfectly level. So our answer is spirit level. Option number A. Now 61 number. Which of the following device is used to check continuity, short circuit and approximate high value of resistance? So our answer is Megger. Now 62 number. The instrument used for measuring the resistance of earth is known as earth tester. Option number B. Now 63 number. What is the difference between Megger and earth tester? So our difference is measuring range is different. Option number C. And last one, Megger and earth tester having 2 and 4 terminals leads respectively for the measuring purpose. So Megger having 2, that means one is line, another one is earth, and for the earth tester which is having 4 leads, P1, P2, C1, C2. So our answer is option number C, 2, 4.